Wagwan! Welcome back to I Love Cooking, where we bring you real Jamaican flavors. Today, we are making a classic Jamaican breakfast with all the good stuff, ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling. Boil the saltfish for 10 to 15 minutes to remove excess salt, then drain and flake it into small pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and saute onion, garlic, scallion, and Spanish pepper for about 2 minutes. Add the tomatoes and flaked saltfish, stir, and cook for another 5 minutes. Gently fold in the ackee, being careful not to mash it. Season with thyme, black pepper, all-purpose, and a pinch of salt if needed. Cook for 5 more minutes, then turn off the heat. And just like that, we have perfect flavorful ackee and saltfish ready to serve. Now, let's move on to the fried dumplings. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Add butter and rub it into the flour until crumbling. Slowly add water and knead into a smooth dough. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes, then divide into small balls. Heat oil in a pan and fry dumplings until golden brown on both sides. Drain on paper towels. These dumplings are perfect for soaking up that delicious ackee and saltfish sauce. Now it is time to plate this Jamaican breakfast feast. The ackee is buttery, the saltfish is flavorful, and the dumplings are crispy, the perfect balance. This is the real Jamaican breakfast. If you love this Jamaican breakfast, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. What is your favorite Jamaican breakfast? Drop a comment below and let me know. Until next time, one love and happy cooking.